Yo, what's going on guys? My name is Saragna here. Back to another video and today we're gonna be showing you how we can make a Android intro. A free intro, like basically so you go to the website name Android.com. That's .com and there are a lot of things you can do here. But there's a lot of people that actually do this so go click on more creations and look, there are a lot of creations right here. It is basically like a big platform. Okay, so I have my own intro. So once you click on any intro, alright, uh, you're gonna be can come like this, okay? You come to this page. Now I actually do my own intro, I fix it, so yeah. And then you gotta click on open root maker. And it's gonna load it bad PC then it's gonna load the log. I have like a decent PC, so it loads. Then you gotta click on this icon, and it's gonna basically bring us into the 3D view. This is like the overview, like this. So if you click on this, this is how the intro is gonna look like. Um, let me just change the music. Basically, you gotta click on these three dots, three lines, and click on audio plus music and audio file. You can select, click select, and I'm gonna use my Firefly NCS song so I don't get copyrighted. The beat drops 56, so I know it. And look. That's the intro for now. Uh, if you want like exactly a little louder, let me just lower the sound. It's so loud in my ears. So there we go. Now it's gonna be good. You don't want this extra green part. What you gotta do is click on these three lines and go to basics. And if you want more frame rate, you can go to 60 FPS. So basically, when does this thing end? Uh, exactly, and here's gonna be the time. This is actually counted on seconds. Let's say it's 11 seconds. Let me just type 11. And now, if we play it, okay, so like that. And then you gotta go to. So everything's good. Now you need another thing. You need to change these text. Okay. So you need to change this text. And once again, you have to click on these three dots and go to objects and then go to text. You'll see it below, but here it is. You gotta change your name for me. Please open up my channel name. Uh, see, it's slightly moving, changing to it. So, um, some matters, some do not matter. But for some intros, you need to type everything on caps. For some, you don't need to. Um, the last one, as you can see, it has no change right now. And there we go. Look, it's totally completely changed now. Yeah, next you gotta mess with the sound effects. So you need to, for instance, you need to get the higher music on the beat. Now you don't need that raw music from the start. You gotta go to the gotta click on the right. Basically can do like this too, but hey, who cares? You gotta click audio plus music. You gotta click you gotta click custom, and I don't have this. I already have this added. Most of these do. Now volume, under volume selected is 0. So and it's not gonna have any sound. So we're gonna time it at the exact time where the okay. So from here the circle starts. So I gotta click the icon under the volume and the plus, and I gotta select it to 100. So yeah. And now let's go to this, and you can select how the music starts. Well, let's say you need it like linear. It's gonna actually start pretty basically. Let's say Quint and see. And now you don't need the music function. So let's the plus, keep it at 100. The whole beat is 100. Is 100. Well, and move it to 0 here. And it's gonna be good. Let's try now. Yeah. So now what you gotta do is there's so much to do, and now guys I'll show you like the how to download your intro. You gotta literally click on the three dots, or you can directly go this download link button. So click on WebM, not MKV. Click on WebM, so it's gonna be easier. And click on fastest render. Also go on the good extreme quality. I don't know if your PC is gonna support, but my PC does not even support. So I'll do a faster render. That's what I use for my intros. And now click start video render, and the video is being rendered. It's going to take about 4 minutes, I guess. Yeah, it's gonna take more or less for you guys, or maybe more. It depends on the quality and other stuff. So, become web though. Actually, I'll catch you guys when this rendering is over. I'll tell you how you can convert your web file to MP4. So yeah, guys. See you when I complete this thing. Okay, guys. The rendering is about to finish. See, it says your render is finished. Click below to download, and let's click download your video. Uh, let's go ahead, and it says video 8 with them. So let's actually check that file. Uh, okay, guys. So now my video is done. So let's go to downloads. So as you can see, let's move it to my folder. Let's move it to a folder. Look, it says MP4 file, size 4.90 MB. So let's actually. Alright, my ears, dude. Let's just go ahead and load the sound. Now let's play it. Look, dude. Look, dude. It's so smooth. Like, not even kidding. Just look. Look. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.